Hello, seasonal adventurers, coming me, coming to you from London. I've transported myself to ancient Rome. No, I've just got off the station called Bank. Yes, that is B-A-N-K, like where your money should be. And I was wondering where the Sky Garden is, but I can see it. Let me just flip the switch. I'm pretty sure it's that building there. The building that's curved, that you can see in the distant glass building. It's been nicknamed the walkie-talkie building and the building that melted cars because the original design with its, is it concave? Yeah, concave or convex design. When the sunlight hit at a certain time of the day and reflected onto the street, it actually melted cars and damaged things because of the reflective sun rays. It acted like a reflection mirror. Yeah. So yeah, amazing London architecture again. I'm crossroads of everywhere. I'm pretty sure that's the Sky Garden building. Let's head towards there without getting run over. Looks like I can cross. Do as the Romans do, so to speak. Okay. Yeah, let me just pause for a second. That's where the docking. That's where the barking dogs came from. Like the Pet Shop Boys Suburbia single with dogs barking in suburbia. Let's get around this tight corner. Okay. Yes, I'm a cat person more than a dog person. And so do I. Barking would drive me bonkers. It would absolutely drive me bonkers. Okay, let's see how organised the management is at working out the tickets, because they're free to enter the Sky Garden, but you need to book. So I made multiple bookings. I made a 3 o'clock and a 4 o'clock booking this afternoon. I also attempted to make a 3:30 and 3:15 booking, but the 3:15 and 3:30 bookings were sent, well, I tried to send them to my Hotmail, and the other two were to my Gmail, and I never received the ticket confirmations to Hotmail, but I received the ticket confirmations to Gmail. So I'll be entering at 3, well, maybe 3 will do. I've also made 4 o'clock just as a backup, and then I'll be going to the Darwin Brasserie at 6:30 in the Sky Garden for dinner tonight at 6:30. So yeah, let's approach and let's see what kind of management system they've got in terms of queuing, etc. Here we go. So where the Sky Garden is a part of London I've not been to before. So these streets I'm walking on are for the first time. Glad the building that it's in is, well, infamous, but it's a landmark nonetheless. So you just need to look up, as I showed you a few minutes ago. That's where the Sky Garden is. So let's see where the entrance is, and let's find out whether there should be a ticket holders line, I imagine. Let's find out. Okay, I found a helpful sign. We're at 20 Fenchurch Street, Sky Garden entrance, Sky Pod Bar, Darwin Brasserie, Fenchurch Restaurant, and Burley's Cafe and Bar. Ah yes, quite a handy sign. Let's head this way then. Here we go. Bit of information there for everyone and for me too. Okay, this looks like where it's all happening. People are gathered here. There's staff in black to field our questions, and I've got a question. Okay, the friendly staff, I told them I told them my booking's at 3. They said I could come 45 minutes early at 2:15. So let's just see my clock. Alright, so in about 20 minutes I can go in. It's about 5 to 3 now. Hang on, wait, let me check again. Pardon me, it's 5 to 2. So I can enter 5 to 2. Oh yeah, so I can enter I can enter at 2:15, which is 45 minutes earlier than 3. That's right, isn't it? Okay, so I can enter in about 20 minutes. Alright, let's just grab a drink from this place to my left called Larch Shop Cafe and Restaurant. Yeah, I'm quite thirsty. Actually, it seems more like a sit-down cafe. There's no kind of grab-and-go section for drinks. Let's just wander over here and see if we can find something, just like even a convenience store or a, gotta learn how to say it, pret-a-manger, pret-a-manger. It's French. Let's head over here. And I can see, what does that say? I can see a coffee place up ahead. Black Sheep Coffee. I mean, I imagine they wouldn't just have coffee. They'd have other things, I would hope. Other beverages. Okay. Let's head that way. I don't exactly know the boroughs of London very well at all, but this has a very business end feel to it, like men and women and people in business suits and things like that. Kind of, well, I got off at the station called Bank, so that's probably quite a indicator, isn't it? So let's cross safely without being run over. Ah, yes, it seems like a smallish outlet. Doesn't seem to have, oh yes, it does have some cold drinks actually. It's just, it's over here, a card factory. That's not drinks, is it? Okay, alright, we'll settle for Black Sheep Coffee.